Okay, sampling. What is sampling? Okay, so the population is everybody. I want to do a survey on 6-year students in Colossaine. Okay, or 6-year students in Ireland. Okay, the population is all 6 years in Ireland, but that's going to cost a lot of money. So I'm going to use a sample of 6 years in Colossaine. Now, straight away we come to this lovely word, bias. Someone goes, that's bias. And I go, why? And they come back to me and they say, well, it's just boys in that school. And I go, okay, yeah, no, that's a good point. Why else is it bias? Because it's just one segment of Dublin. It's not taking anybody from the countryside. Okay, yeah, interesting, good. Yeah, and it's even not representative of Dublin. North side, south side is different. Socioeconomic backgrounds different. So we're not representing. So if I wanted not to be biased, I could do a random sample. Okay, so back to 6-year students. Random sample, 500 boys, 500 girls. In the boys and the girls, I want to get a few I want to get some farmers, I want to get some city people, I want to get people from poor backgrounds, rich backgrounds, people whose parents are lawyers, people whose parents are doctors, people whose parents are farmers, bin men, anything, teachers, anything in between. Okay? And then that's going to be representative. I want people who play sport, I want people who don't play sport, people who are in the choir, people who do nothing in the school. People are higher level classes, ordinary level classes. Once I get a nice even mix of all that, I get a lovely random sample. But that's a lot of effort. So randomly, there's loads of ways. I could just pick out 10 students in each school, choose 100 different schools, 10 random students, and then, yeah, that will give me a random sample. Okay? And there's loads of ways. You'll come to that in the Leaving Cert, so I don't worry about that. Now you can see on page 101, your calculator shows you how to do a random sample. Forget that, don't worry about that. it's nonsense, so I'm not teaching you that. Now, the limitations of statistics. It is almost certain that a large set of data will contain errors. Shocker. Okay, so mistype. The correct value was obtained but written down. Okay, when you're looking at data, maybe someone just wrote down the wrong number. Instead of someone writing down 1, they write down 1 here, or instead of, they added an next 0. Okay, so if someone said 1 million, and then someone put this in, and that's 10 million. Okay, mistaken answer. Do you ever be asked something and you go, I'll get the wrong answer there? What age are you? 12. I'm actually 13. What am I thinking? Incorrect measurement. Okay. So how tall are you? 6'4". You're really 6'2". Yeah. Bias sampling, as mentioned above. Okay. We never want to be biased. If I'm running a company, then I want to be biased. Okay. If I'm Apple, I'm going to manipulate all the things so that when I'm coming up with statistics, I'm going to get 2 sets of statistics. I'm going to get the honest stats back, and then I'm going to get stats that I can present in my marketing surveys that will manipulate you. And it most certainly does, because you are manipulated every day of the week and made a fool of. Because you all buy the same clothes, you all listen to the same music, because you're told what to listen to, you're told what to wear, you're told what to do. That's how powerful these are. Okay, so now today is Tuesday. Your work for Tuesday is question 1 to 12. Okay, obviously I don't want you to do 11. No 11. Scratch 11. And yeah, just work your way through that. If you don't get them all done, I just want half an hour's work. That's all I want from this. Yeah. Now, then Wednesday's off because I'm a phenomenally nice person. Thursday is test yourself. Okay, and then I know, it's ridiculous. Friday because we're at the end of the chapter. You're off. There you go. Enjoy your Friday. You've worked well, most of you. Actually, no, I'll take that back. A lot of you haven't worked well, and I'm going to kill you when I see you. Except for the rest of you that have worked well, really well done. Those who haven't worked so well, time to get it together, okay? Because we're going to break the class up at the start of third year, or whenever we go back. Okay, good work.